Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Storm Track meteorologist Nate Harrington. Wanted to give you a recap of the storms we had this morning and give you a live look at Storm Track radar and what we're expecting for the rest of the afternoon. Storms rolled through early this morning, 4, 5, 6 o'clock, and then for folks in the Birmingham Metro, especially in Jefferson County, we saw some pretty heavy-duty storms right around 7:30, 8 o'clock, right before the rush hour morning commute. Those storms continued to move to the east, and the flow of all the storms was basically from west to east this morning. Lots of damage in Jefferson County proper, right around the Birmingham Metro, Vestavia Hills, Homewood, right near the Shelby and Jefferson County line, seeing some wind damage. Had a couple of reports of hail near the Galleria and down closer to Bessemer, but right now the radar is all quiet. Storm Track radar not showing anything showing up right now. That's the good news. There is still the potential to have some more storms fire up this afternoon. The air mass is still very, very unstable. There's still a lot of moisture left in it, so the potential is there. Right now, all things are calm. We'll continue to watch Storm Track radar over the next few hours. However, the good news is this. You see the watches and warnings. There are some warnings down to our south and off to our south and east, and you see that yellow shaded area. Those are all severe thunderstorm watches. No one in our viewing area in the Birmingham Metro or points in central Alabama are in this severe thunderstorm watch. And this is issued by the Storm Prediction Center. If they thought we might be able to have some severe thunderstorms, they would put us in that watch, but that has not happened this afternoon. So that's some good news. We still have the potential to see some thunderstorms, but at least it looks like they won't be quite as bad as ones we had this morning. So let's look at our futurecasts. You see shower and thunderstorm possibilities by 4, 5, 6 o'clock, but they don't look as strong or as widespread as the ones we saw this morning. This evening, right around 8 to 9 o'clock, Futurecast possibly picking up on a small thunderstorm in central Jefferson County and points off to the west, and that one moves down to the south pretty quickly and impacts the southern end of our viewing area by 10 to 11 o'clock. But of course, these models didn't do too good of a job picking up on the activity from this morning and the storms that we had this morning. So we take this with a grain of salt and just tell you that we could still have more development for tonight and tomorrow. So just be watching, and we'll have all the updates for you on air and online, WIAT. Temperatures right now, right near 80 degrees, in the 70s for most other places. Once the rain moved out, the clouds stuck around, so numbers aren't going to rebound too much farther than this for this afternoon. And as far as we don't see any more intense sunshine, that's going to limit how much instability is in the air, and that will limit the thunderstorm development too. So that's all good news. As long as we can keep these clouds in place, that means storm threat gets lower and lower as the afternoon goes on. But of course, we'll keep you updated. We'll Storm Track live on WIAT 42 News at 5, 6, and 10 if we need to. We'll have all the updates for you on air and online as well.